Let's talk impact hole saws. The DeWALT Impact Ready Hole Saw was designed with commercial contractors in mind. Their work depends on tools that stand up to the stress of metal, but can get the job done quickly, too. Of course, you don't have to be a commercial contractor to appreciate that. The Impact Ready Hole Saw features a thin wall design and sharper teeth. It produces less resistance and cleaner cuts while reducing wear and tear. You'll be using it long after the other guy's hole saw bites the dust, or in this case, the metal. Perfect example, a junction box. I'm no electrician, but I'm pretty sure you don't want your hole saw going through wires. Just for fun, let's see what the Impact Ready Hole Saw can really do. Here's the other guys. I got to use a regular drill because no competitor has a hex shank for my impact driver. A hole saw should drill through metal, not the delicate or dangerous stuff behind it. And here's Impact Ready. A raised shoulder keeps you from crashing through the metal at the end of the hole. Now that was easy. And the spring easily pops out your metal core when you're through. No more trying to remove sharp metal plugs with a screwdriver. And how about that clean, burr-free hole?